Welcome to Lasa.africa. Today we'll show you the processing of our Casa 60 shelf. Let's go ahead and open up box. For the first step, you require 10 parts C and 40 parts number 2, the wooden dowels. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part A, 2 parts C of our previous assembly, 4 parts number 1, the screws. The item does come with an Allen key, but you can use a power tool. Let's assemble. Part A. For the next step, you require a previous assembly. Also, 4 part number 5, the feet. Also, you require a hammer. Let's assemble. For the next step, require part D, 4 part number 1, the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require a previous assembly, 2 parts E, 4 parts 1 our screw, 4 parts 2 our wooden dial. Let's assemble. Part E in the middle. For the next step, you require 1 part D, 4 part number 1, the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 2 part C's, 4 part number 1, the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 1 part B, 4 part number 1. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 2 parts C's and 4 parts 1. Let's assemble. For the next step, require 1 part B, 4 part 1s. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 2 parts C, 4 parts number 1 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 1 part B, 4 part 1s. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 2 part C's, 4 part 1s. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require 1 part A at the top and 4 part number 1. For the next step, we require 48 part number 4, the stickers. We will be covering the stickers over all the heads of the screws. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require part number 3, the anti-duty. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the process of our Casa 60 shop. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more